Hello students, in this video I am going to explain you about general equation of a circle, and if equation of a circle is given, then how can you calculate radius of a circle, center of the circle, and thereafter intercept cut by the circle on x axis as well as on y axis. So see, circle, as we know that general equation of the circle, we know x minus h. Suppose there is a circle which center is at h comma k and x comma y is a general point. Joining them we get radius r. So its equation we have seen already how to write the equation of a circle. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Okay. Now expanding it, what we get, let's see. X square plus h square minus 2hx plus y square plus k square minus 2ky is equal to r square. Okay. So let's see. It is x square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2ky plus h square plus k square minus r square is equal to 0. See, h comma k is a fixed point, that is center, coordinate of center. Now, if we take it at, let here replacing h is equal to minus g and k is equal to minus f. I am going to replace h by minus g and k by minus f. Then let's see, our above equation will reduce as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus g square plus f square minus r square. This is equal to 0. And one more thing, let this quantity be c. Let this is c. Then c is equal to this. C is equal to g square plus f square minus r square. C means a constant quantity in a equation. In an equation of second degree, whatever the constant quantity, that is, let's see. So x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c, it implies that x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general equation. This is the general equation of a circle. You need to learn that what is general equation of a circle. This is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now, if you are given any equation of the circle, you have to compare that equation by this general equation of a circle. Thereafter, comparing, see, you can find g, you can find f, and you can find c. Remember one thing, here the coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square should be equal, and in standard equation it is 1. So if in any equation of the circle you are given, suppose 2x square plus 2y square, then first of all divide by that quantity and making x square and y square coefficient as 1. Then only you can compare and then find whatever the value of g, whatever the value of f, and what is the value of constant quantity. Now see how can you find by comparing given equation with this standard equation, getting g, f and c. How can we find center of a circle and radius of a circle. So see, from here h is minus g and k is minus f. Therefore, h is minus g and k is minus f. Therefore, center here, center will be equal to minus g comma minus f. This is your center. Means find value of g and f, put it here. So your center will be minus g comma minus f. And radius from here, just see, it implies that what is radius square? This is g square plus f square minus c. And hence r is equal to under root g square plus f square minus c. This is your radius. Radius of the circle. Right? So these two formula you need to learn. One, that is standard formula, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Center of the coordinate of center of the circle minus g comma minus f. Radius of the circle g is under root g square plus f square minus c. Let's see how can we find by numerically. Find the center and radius of the circle. Circle given is x square plus y square plus 4x. Given circle is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 4y minus 1 minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. Just see. See, you are given that x square plus y square plus 4x minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. Here x square and y square coefficients are 1 as in the case of standard equation. Therefore, comparing it with the standard one, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Comparing it, here coefficient of x is 4, here coefficient of x is plus 2g. You have to compare with sign. So 2g is equal to 4, g is equal to 2. One thing. Here plus 2f is equal to minus 4. So f is equal to minus 2. And here plus c is equal to minus 1. So c is equal to minus 1. All these three quantities are known now. So you know what is center? Center of the circle, that is minus g comma minus f. So putting the value of f and g. Putting the value of f and g, g is 2. So minus at the place of g 2, comma minus. At the place of f it is minus 2. So minus minus 2. It implies that now minus 2 comma 2. This is your center, right? And what is radius? For radius, you know radius is this. Therefore, under root g square. What is g? 2. 2 square 4. F square minus 2 whole square. Again 4. Minus c is minus 1. Minus minus plus 1. 8 9 under root 9. That is 3. So radius is 3. Center is minus 2 comma 2. Center is minus 2 comma 2 and radius is 3. Right. Some other questions like find the length of the intercept of the circle this on the coordinate axis. This time intercept. How can you find intercept? Another type of the question. To find intercept, cut by the circle on coordinate axis. See, suppose there is a circle which is making some intersect on both of the axes, x-axis and y-axis. Let its coordinate center is x comma k. So see, it is making an intersect this on x-axis and this on y-axis. So the point where it intersect to x-axis, at that point y coordinate will definitely be 0. So this point y coordinate will be 0. At this point also y coordinate will be 0. So putting, and these both of the points will lie on the circle. So both of the points will must satisfy, they will satisfy to the equation of circle. Therefore, if equation of a circle is given, if equation of the circle, suppose general equation I am taking, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, you are given. So if equation of a circle you are given and you have to find intercept cut by this circle on x-axis, then put in the equation of circle as y is equal to 0. So putting y is equal to 0, what you get? X square plus 2gx plus c is equal to 0. So see, from here you will get a quadratic equation in x. So solving this quadratic equation, you will find two values of x. One this one and another this one. So two values of x. In this way, putting in both of the at both of the places, you get coordinate of 2 points. So applying distance formula, you can calculate this intercept cut by circle on x-axis. Similarly, if you have to find intercept cut by this circle on y-axis, then at this position x coordinate will be 0. So put x at the place of x 0. You will find a quadratic equation in y. So solving that quadratic equation for y, you will find two values of y and thereafter two coordinates on y-axis. By distance formula, you can calculate distance between those 2 points, that will be intercept cut by the circle on y-axis. By numerical, it will be quite clear. Let's see. One question is that find the length of the intercept of the circle 3x square plus 3y square. 3x square plus 3y square minus 5x minus 5x minus 5x plus 3y minus 5x plus 3y is equal to 0. It is given. So intercept cut by this. Suppose this is equation of this circle. So intercept cut by this circle on axis means on x-axis and y-axis. So for intercept on x-axis, y should be 0. So putting y at the y is equal to 0 in this equation. So 3x square minus 5x is equal to 0. So taking x as common, here 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. It implies that x is equal to 0 and 5 by 3. So these are 2 points, means one point 0 comma 0, other point is 5 by 3 comma 0. So quite simple. Distance, suppose this is a and this is b on x-axis. On x-axis. So by distance formula, what will you get? Here this AB will be equal to this minus this whole square under root. So you will find 5 by 3 y. Okay, x-intercept is 5 by 3. Similarly, for y-intercept, putting x is equal to 0. For y-intercept, putting x is equal to 0. So 3y square plus 3y is equal to 0. Y taking common, so 3y plus 3 is equal to 0. It implies that y is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 1. right? Therefore, one point will be 0 comma 0, other point will be 0 comma minus 1. So by distance formula, suppose this is 1 point 0 comma 0 here, so this point will be A, B, and this point will be C. So AC from here, under root this minus this whole square 0, under root this minus this whole square 1, and that is 1. So these all are intersected by the circle on x-axis and y-axis respectively. Right? In this way you can solve some other questions based on intersected by the circle on x-axis and y-axis, and to find radius and center of the circle. In next lecture I will give you some more numerics. Thank you so much.